Guys, welcome back. So this is the first of 12 Christmas makes for my 12 Days of Christmas collaboration. So today we're going to be starting with these. Now originally I was planning on making a few of these and putting them together. I don't think I'll do that anymore. I have used these once before, but sorry, I've got a hair there and it's annoying me. So what happened was I did film this introduction previously, but because I've been having so much space issue with my phone, I've lost the footage for this particular part, so I'm just reintroducing it. So yeah, what I did with these, what I did with these was I put inside them, just EcoPour. I didn't put any colourant in them. I didn't do any of that. So I did that, and then I've still got the footage from me demoulding these after I'd poured them. And I did do a few of them, like decorated a few of them previously. I will show you that as well in a bit. But yeah, I think I've sorted the space issue out though, so hopefully this won't happen again. But yeah, this is the first day of 12 of the 12 Days of Christmas collaboration that I have put together. We do have a few artists in the playlist if you want to take a look. It's 12 days of just Christmas makes, and it's not just resin or EcoPour either, so go down to the playlist, have a look. There are a few amazing there are a load of amazing artists in there, so go and give them a look, give them a subscribe because they are awesome. And I want to thank everybody for taking part as well. It really does mean a lot. This is my first ever collaboration that I'm doing on my own, and it is a little bit daunting but you know, it's going to be fun, it's going to be interesting. So yeah, I don't have the footage of me pouring these anymore. Like I said, I lost quite a bit of it, but I will show you the footage of me demoulding these, and then I will do some more decorating because I didn't get to do all the ornaments, so I will show you the footage of me decorating some of them. And yeah, I will show you all the past projects as well. So just bear with me guys, and I will refilm me decorating these ornaments, so I'll be right back, okay? All these came out absolutely beautiful, but unfortunately, because the ones with the rings mostly, because that ring is so delicate, they are very easy to break, so I had to be really careful with demoulding those. The first batch that I made of these, I ended up tearing a lot of them apart, so I had to be extra careful with these ones just to make sure that they didn't crack in places and break on their own. And I did leave them for a bit longer to cure a bit more so that wouldn't happen. And well, this batch came out really nice, and there were some air bubbles, I will admit that. There were some really big air bubbles in some of them, but they still came out pretty nice. This second batch actually came out a lot better than the first batch. The first batch had a lot of bubbles in it. Now, I was going to make a few more of these so I could stick them together and make them into bigger ornaments, but I decided that one is enough. So we'll get demoulding the rest of these, and I will see you in a minute for detailing them. So I'll see you in a minute. So just a quick look at what I've already done. I did these on a previous clip of the video that again was lost, but I didn't do all of them. I've got this one to do, and I've got quite a few here to do as well to finish off. So yeah, they're not all finished yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend an hour or so just getting some of these other ones done, and yeah, we'll see how it goes from there. Some of them did break a little bit at the top, that's why some of them haven't got hoops on them, but I don't know if you can see all of those. But yeah, what I'm going to do is I'll take these out because those are all finished, at least I think they are. They look finished to me. That one needs a coating of gloss on it, and so does that one, and that one too. But the rest of them have all been glossed and are ready to go. So let me get rid of these ones I've already done, and we will crack on with the rest of them, and then I will show you all of the end pieces at the end. Let's get cracking, shall we?
stars are hanging diamonds in the velvet winter night. I hear the laughter echo from a home that feels so right. It's Christmas, sweet Christmas tonight. Candles flicker in the window, warm as every heart I know. Oh, it's a snowlight Christmas, magic in the air. Every little moment says love is everywhere. Hold me just a little closer, underneath the tree. This snowlight Christmas feels like home to me. The kettle's singing softly while the kids build snowy dreams, and cinnamon is dancing through the air in gentle beams. We wrap our hopes in ribbons, tie them tight at all the seams. It's Christmas, we're living the dream. Hear the choir down the lane now, singing joy again somehow. Oh, it's a snowlight Christmas, magic in the air. Every little moment says love is everywhere. Hold me just a little closer, underneath the tree. This snowlight Christmas feels like home to me. And as the bells start ringing, our worries drift away. We're holding on to every wish we whispered through the day. May this feeling stay with us when winter melts to spring. The love we make at Christmas is the truest kind of thing. Oh, it's a snowlight Christmas, magic in the air. Every little moment says love is everywhere. Stay with me forever, where you're meant to be. This snowlight Christmas feels like home, feels like home to me.
Wasn't that a beautiful song? It sums up everything I believe Christmas is to be. So even though this video didn't go as planned, I enjoyed making these. It was really fun. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing, and thank you all for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please consider doing so. It's only a click away and it will cost you nothing. It'll just help my channel grow as we go along in this YouTube journey. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.